let's go build a snowman. At 1 in the morning. Yes.
What are we doing?
Let's build some snowman in here. Okay, that was weird. What time is it? I don't know. I'm keeping mine. It's beautiful.
Okay.
That is my best drawing.
I'm not putting on snow.
It is 1:18 in the morning. And we're gonna build some snow. What?
Why is the bed that you laid on wet?
I don't know.
Well, it's honestly your fault. You're the one that laid on it. Maddie, why did you jizz on the bed?
I did not.
Sure.
What is your problem?
Just like you.
That's so fresh. No, what we're doing with our lives. You need that.
Ow!
Gotta get pumped up, everybody. I'm going inside.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Why'd you jizz on the bed?
I did not.
1 second.
I wasn't even near that bed. Oh. Thanks.
Here's a booster.
Oh, thanks. I don't know how well this little skywire will do me, but
What did you call it?
skywire. I don't know where you are. Oh my God, the price tag is still in his hat.